Buongiorno Roma! Okay, so we are inside the Vatican. We're not going to the Basilica today because we're going much higher. Right, so we're going onto the dome. We have two options: elevator plus 320 steps, 10 euros, or on foot 551 steps, 8 euros. We decided to do this. Wish us good luck. Okay, so we got in here, we showed our tickets to the security, and they asked us, did you take elevator or by foot? And we said by foot. And they looked at us like, okay. So here we are, we started going by foot. 550 steps. So we see an open door. Did we get here? Not yet. We need to get up there, but this is where you will get with the elevator. Anyway, the elevator doesn't take you up there. It stops you 200 steps above. And if I'm not wrong, this should be the Sistine Chapel from outside. Did you know it looks like this from outside? Okay, so finally steps off it. There's just a little slope. We turn to the left. Get ready because what you're gonna see is incredible. Welcome to St. Peter. And that's the main altar. And you see those words, description that it's here. Those letters are 2 meters high. And if you look at my friend over there, you see her? And look at the size of the letters. On top of us, Michelangelo's dome. Seen from inside. So close. The amazing thing about this church is that the sizes, like look at this mosaic, look at my hand. It's so big. But when you are down there, everything feels so small. Even those letters, they look so much smaller when you are down there because everything is in a bigger scale that your eyes is full. Okay, we took a little break, but now it's time to continue the steps. Cupola, cupole, and there you go. I was just informed by my friend that we have 300 steps more. See you up there. Never ending. 165 remaining. Doesn't get easier. Now it's getting a bit uncomfortable because it's going this way. Look at this, it's not straight anymore. A little bit like this. Because of course this is the dome shape. We are almost there. We also have a window for a preview. So excited to go up there. See, remember last time I was here, I was like 8 years old with my parents and sister. And here it was full of people. You couldn't stop because there were people in front of you and behind you. And I remember also there were people giving up because it's tough to do this and going the opposite way, so we have to squeeze to let them pass. You think steps are small, they get even smaller. Look at this. I'm gonna even put 2 feet one next to each other. No, I'm telling you. Okay, we are here. We made it. So here we have St. Peter's Square with the colonnade by Bernini. Here you have Castel Sant'Angelo, you see, the river on the side. And then I was just noticing something else here on the dome. Like, you see those metal thingies? They have a nail sticking out of it. If I'm not wrong, this is where they used to put candles, because when the illumination was not electrical yet, to illuminate the dome, there were these guys, they were called San Pietrini, same name as the cobble street typical of Rome, and they were acrobats. So they would put the candles in here, all around the dome, and then at a certain time, they will climb down with a rope and lit up the candle fast, one after each other, so one after the other, so that the dome will be illuminated in a matter of seconds. I'm gonna share with you a video later. Now moving towards the left side. Sistine Chapel here, this one. Did you expect to look like this from the outside? And here we start seeing the Vatican gardens, the shadow of St. Peter. I'm here. And if you've never been to the Vatican Gardens, I really recommend you to go and see them because they are amazing. Okay, we are here. Now 2 more people came, but we are alone. Guys, you need to come here now. It's a unique experience. Okay guys, the tour is over on the dome, so now we need to go downstairs to the exit, and the exit doesn't get it. So here's the canopy of Bernini. We were up here earlier. It looks so far away and so impossible to be there. Here's the main altar. This is where the Pope makes the Mass. And this is where others than are not the Pope make the Mass, and there is a Mass going on right now. So there's 4 pilasters, 1, 2, 3, and 4 that are supporting the structure of the dome. Each pilaster has a statue, and all the statues were commissioned to Bernini. Bernini only made himself this one. The other statues, which are all beautiful, were made by his students, and above each statue there is a balcony. In this balcony there is a relic, and the relic is described by the statue below. Take this as an example. This is the Veronica. It's written here as well, Veronica. Veronica was the woman that during the Passion of Christ, while he was carrying the cross behind his shoulders, came with this piece of fabric and he dried Jesus' forehead from the sweat and blood. So apparently this piece of fabric, a fragment of it, is kept in this reliquary on this balcony. Here we have the main altar, of course made by guess who? Bernini. He was the boss at the time. So here we have a bronze statues, 4 statues, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the doctors of the church. They are holding this. This is a chair, and this is believed to be the chair where Saint Peter sat. And did you know that this statue here, statue of St. Peter by Arnolfo di Cambio that he made in the 1200s, is even more ancient than this church as you see today. And pilgrims believed that it was good to touch his foot when they came to visit Rome. And this is why you cannot even see the fingers anymore. He got consumed from how much touching he had to have. How could I leave St. Peter without showing you this? This is one of the most beautiful things on earth. This is the Pietà of Michelangelo. All for ourselves. Did you know that Michelangelo sculpted this out of a single piece of Carrara marble when he was only 24 years old? And this is the only sculpture by Michelangelo that he signed. We cannot see, but there is like a belt going across Mary's chest, and that says Michelangelo. And when you are in the central nave, look at this porphyr round stone. This is the exact location when Carlo Magno, Charlemagne, was crowned by the Pope on 25th of December, Christmas of the year 800. This is the place.